Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope that you found first chapter verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Welcome to the second chapter of Thirukkural, titled Glory of Rain. This chapter is dedicated to the essentiality of rain in our lives, how it nurtures the earth, and how its absence can lead to dire consequences. In chapter 2 of Thirukkural, titled The Glory of Rain, Song 7 highlights the importance of rain not only for the land but also for the vast ocean. The couplet goes as follows: If the clouds that drew the water from the sea withhold their gift, the sea, surrounded by its shores, will slowly shrink. This couplet emphasizes how rain is crucial for agriculture and maintaining the balance of nature. The ocean, which covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, depends on the water cycle to replenish its reserves. Without rain, the planet's natural balance would be disturbed, and life would cease to exist. The analogy of the ocean shrinking despite being surrounded by shores is powerful. It reminds us that even the most significant and seemingly indestructible elements of nature are interconnected and dependent on each other. It also emphasizes the fact that everything in nature has a purpose and a role to play. Thus, this couplet from Thirukkural's chapter 2 reminds us of rain's critical role in maintaining the natural order of things and highlights the need to conserve and protect this precious resource. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more verses from the Glory of Rain chapter in Thirukkural. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.